Thank you for your interest in our unique and revolutionary system of scoliosis care. You may be wondering what separates the ScoliSMART brand from other clinics or treatment options. First of all, the ScoliSMART brand is not a specific treatment, but rather a promise of integrity. When you choose one of our doctors, you are choosing an expert in the field of non-invasive scoliosis, diagnosis, treatment, and management. We are a focused group of doctors who have dedicated our careers to finding a better way of successfully treating scoliosis. All of our certified doctors are fellows of the International Chiropractic Scoliosis Board. Our doctors have published peer-reviewed scoliosis research, presented at SOSORT, an International Orthopedic Research Society, written hundreds of articles, and patented innovative exercise equipment. We have taught postgraduate classes on the topic of non-surgical treatment of scoliosis. We lead and operate dedicated scoliosis practices that are patient-focused. We offer a variety of techniques, diagnostics, and management strategies to best serve you or your child's needs. We strive to make it easy for patients to succeed at avoiding invasive scoliosis procedures by minimizing the risk of progression and ultimately providing an effective program to alter the natural course of scoliosis long-term.
The main point that I would just stress is that there's an alternative to surgery. And the alternative is actually a wonderful one because it's a treatment that actually works with your body. So your body and the treatment are working together to affect a correction in the spine. So it's a great blend of science and nature, with your own body and science to achieve a result.
We practice in an environment of informed choice based on 4 primary principles. Number 1, we feel that scoliosis treatment should be tailored to the individual. Number 2, the alignment of your spine is controlled by your brain. Number 3, in order to permanently alter the alignment of your spine, we must engage the areas of the brain that control this alignment. Number 4, the most effective way to engage the alignment areas of your brain is to first unlock the spine by increasing flexibility, and second, to retrain muscle memory using ScoliSMART exercises. This core understanding allows our doctors to provide excellence in scoliosis treatment and management. We offer new and innovative scoliosis equipment that, when combined with our clinical experience, ensures positive outcomes for patients and families worldwide.